I'm feeling sad today. So Monday morning, I got the best email I could have possibly gotten. I got the opportunity to put a bid in on an international project. This would have been the biggest project of my entire career, and I was so pumped. So naturally, we got to work, we put together an amazing proposal, and we also learned some things along the way as far as licensing fees and things we hadn't really experienced before. With this, we crushed it, we handed it in, the company was super impressed with our proposal, and today we got the call that we did not get the job. So naturally, at first, I was quite upset about this, and it's too easy to just shut down rather than get back to work. So here's some things I kind of figured out today. Rather than dwell on the negative that you didn't get this job, it actually introduced more opportunity for me. So now we have the opportunity to bid on 4 additional jobs for this company. The only reason they didn't choose us is because it wasn't the right style for this project. Not the end of the world, nothing to cry and drink wine all night about. But now we have the opportunity to work with this company, and I'm super excited. And it's just cool that this lead actually came from Instagram, of all places. So to know that my work is being viewed in the eyes of these massive companies and it's on a global level is just super inspiring and actually really boosts my confidence rather than crush it. So I may drink a case of beer tonight, but that's not the moral of the story here. It's Friday night, people. Don't judge me. But for all you guys who have dealt with rejection, look at it as a learning opportunity and don't get discouraged. Just look at the opportunities that may arise from a rejection and focus on those. Thanks for watching, guys. And I want to know in the comments what kind of beer or wine you drink when you're coping with rejection, because I'm open to suggestions at this point.